Danyang City Fei Peng Electric Appliance Company Limited was established in 2008, is a professional heating element and extension cord manufacturer for the integration of production, research, design, and marketing. Our main products are immersion heating element, dry boiled elements, wire, extension cord, connector socket, plug, working lamp, and so on. Dry boiled elements apply on electric cooker, microwave oven, baking oven, etc., while water heating elements apply on jugs, coffee pots, washing machines, and so on. According to customers' requirements, we can produce all kinds of shapes and assign them with different connections and flanges. Extension cords apply on electric appliance for indoor and outdoor. All products with strictly quality control, beauty shape, economical, high efficient, and safe electrical performance. We offer OEM and ODM to satisfy different requirement for each country. Fei Peng have passed ISO 9001-2008 and CE certification. The products have being exported to more than 40 countries in the world, such as USA, Russia, Mexico, Argentina, Brazil, India, South Africa, UK, etc. We established good relationship of long-term cooperation with many foreign customers. We will supply modern technology, quality, and service with the spirit of pragmatism, innovation, competition, and development. General Manager Mr. Gong, with all staff, welcomes clients and friends from all over the world to visit us for business.